Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about herbal treatment for type 2 diabetes, lower high blood insulin level. There are various herbs that work as the best remedy for type 2 diabetes. Using these herbs can help in curing the problem and its symptoms and side effects as well. Using natural remedies is easy these days. Herbal products are available in the market which contain all the vital herbs in right combination and proportion to provide good results. Diacheal capsule is a pure herbal product that contains effective herbs which are known to reduce blood sugar level and prevent side effects. This herbal product is the most reliable herbal treatment for type 2 diabetes. Diacheal herbal treatment for type 2 diabetes contains herbs which increase production of beta cells in pancreas, which are responsible for insulin production. Insulin takes glucose from the blood and places it in the fat, muscles and liver cells. When body requires energy, it uses this glucose in the cells, but in some situations people have cells that don't respond to the activities of insulin and glucose stays in blood. This leads to glucose buildup in the blood to increase the level of blood sugar. This herbal treatment for type 2 diabetes contain herbs which reduce the level of cholesterol and maintain level of triglycerides. This protects heart and also prevent the risk of stroke related to diabetes. Diacheal capsules also protect kidney and liver and maintain the functions. Healthy kidney and liver help in reducing sugar and also curing the side effects. Blood vessels and nerves are affected by diabetes and can affect any part of the body. By providing the ingredients which help the body in reducing blood sugar to generate energy, prevent excessive glucose buildup in blood, work as the best treatment for diabetes. Those who suffer from diabetes should protect their digestive system. Diarrhea and constipation are also the adverse effects of high blood sugar and increase the problem. Diacheal capsule contains digestive enzymes and fiber which maintains proper digestion and appropriate discharge of waste matter from the body to adverse effects of the problem. Symptoms like weakness, body pain, leg pain, frequent urination and fatigue are also prevented by this herbal treatment for type 2 diabetes. It is helpful in preventing issues such as polyuria and pruritus. Diacheal capsules are completely safe for everyone. It doesn't interfere with any of your other treatment and can be taken without any prescription. Diacheal works as the most effective remedy and with ideal healthy lifestyle and diet regimen help a person to stay active and lead a normal life. You can find more details about Diacheal capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.